One of the best things about SwiftUI are the previews. But you don't actually need SwiftUI to use previews. You can have previews in UIKit. Here's how. Here is my SwiftUI project, and the preview is working, but I want a preview to work through a view controller. So I'm going to create my view controller as I normally would. I'll create an image view controller, and that means I'm using a nib file in this case. And my nib file needs to be raised by the view controller, and that requires initializers. So instead of having the navigation here, I put in my initializer, which just attaches the view controller to the nib file equivalently. Now, this view controller doesn't have anything to display, so in the nib file, I'm going to add my image view and just center it in the view controller. And in my asset catalog, I've already added an image, and it comes up there, although any image would do. So as we can see, nothing displays, and that's because it's a normal UIKit image view controller. We need to make it conform to UI view controller representable. So I've put that in the extension here, and it just returns the view controller. But there's a problem, and that's because, as we see, we haven't imported SwiftUI. When we have, that error will go away, but it's still not enough to get a preview. Oh, and of course, our view needs to be final. And here, it lists the detail one. You could work it out from that error message. Also, to make the view appear, we need to make a struct, which tells SwiftUI what our preview will look like. Here's that struct, just really displaying the image view controller. If I click resume here, here's my view controller in a SwiftUI preview. That's really useful. So I hope that video helped you out, and I'll see you next time.